Imagine being able to earn money without having to make the videos yourself. Pretty sweet, right? You save money you would use to buy high-resolution gadgets and the time it would take for you to edit and drop videos. The good news is, you can. All you need is research and commitment, and boom, you're making green paper. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 6. Identify your niche. Having your favorite niche to write about is the best thing that can happen to you. Not only does it help you know exactly what topics to post about, but it also helps you work on content you're passionate about. The secret is to find the best niche you can write about that also generates a lot of traffic. If you have a favorite niche that gets 0 viewers a month, it is time to change your strategy. You can also choose a niche that may not be a favorite, but one you can relate to. There are many niches you can create videos in, depending on how you want it to connect with viewers. If your favorite thing is to feed giraffes, but are also in finance, you can teach people how to make money and balance their books without making the videos yourself, while doing the things you love, feeding giraffes. For example, if you're into the tech niche, many tech channels have made it by doing product reviews with affiliate links to Amazon and other tech websites. Quantum Tech HD is one such channel that deals with technology, and it has become a huge success up to date. It has 286 uploads and has a whopping 10 million subscribers. And what do? They make videos about tools and inventions that make your life easier, from kitchen gadgets to big inventions such as excavators. Since they started the channel back in 2015, they have garnered almost 2.5 billion views on their videos. They've had massive success with a video they made in June of 2021 that got 120 million views. All this without showing the faces or using voiceover. If this is your niche of passion, you can watch such a channel and get ideas on the things people are searching for and solve their problems. While it may seem undoable, you can do it as long as you are committed and are willing to put in the work. Just like you will be happy getting passive income, be happy to put work into making your channel one that people would want to come back and visit as well as subscribe to. A great niche will set your channel apart from others and will make people want to come back to see what great video you drop next. Number 5. Create a YouTube channel. The first video on YouTube was uploaded on the 23rd of April 2005. And since then, the platform has become an enormous success, with billions of views every day and the total number of daily users being over 30 million. But the fact that the platform came into existence almost 17 years ago does not mean that there is no place for you to make a decent amount of money if you're aggressive. For you to start making money from your channel, the next step after identifying what you want to do on YouTube is to create your own account. You can start a YouTube channel today, and it's as easy as ABC, as long as you have a Google account. But for you to succeed, your YouTube channel has to match the content that you want to put out to viewers. If you give a contradictory channel name to the content you're uploading, your viewers may become confused and quit. For example, if you have a product review channel, you cannot name it Baking with Mike. Most likely, the people that will visit your channel are those that want to watch baking tutorials and will leave your page as soon as they realize it's not about baking. If your channel is about fashion, give it a name that explains exactly what it is, such as Couture Fashions. This lets people know that your channel is all about fashion, and your intended audience will be happy to watch your videos. Your YouTube channel banner is another important part that you should pay attention to. This is because it attracts your audience and communicates the channel's brands and personality to your target audience. After all, first impressions matter, right? Before we continue, make sure to stay focused, because the following tips are going to be a game changer for you. Number 4. Choose target keywords. To find videos that are generating a lot of traffic and those that are likely to make you a lot of money, you have to do keyword research. Before you ask what the heck that is, keyword research is the process of searching for non-competitive topics that people are searching for and selecting them as your target keywords. This is because the high search volume and low competitiveness can help your video rank high in search results. You can use Google Trends to search for topics that are trending. Other tools that you can use include KW Finder or SEM Rush. For example, if you search for anything about Christmas right now, you will find that that is a topic that is trending 100% because we're approaching a festive period. This means that most people are making videos about their holiday cheer, and your video may not rank as high as you would want it to be because the competition is too stiff. This doesn't mean that you should not make a Christmas video. No matter how many views it gets, you have to spread the holiday cheer, don't you? But if you want to post content about a topic such as gardening, looking for long-tail keywords can help you see what is trending without being too competitive and post content about it. Ideally, if your target keyword has a high search volume but a low search competition, people searching for the content with your target keyword are likely to come across your video. Choosing target keywords builds authority in your chosen niche, which drives more traffic to your channel. Number 3. Find and reuse other creators' content. YouTube allows you to republish other creators' content under the Creative Commons license. Creative Commons is an international organization that provides free licenses which allow content creators to make their work available to the public. In simple terms, if a creator has a Creative Commons license to his works, he has basically permitted other people to use his content on their own channels. That said, there are specific conditions that you should follow to ensure that you don't violate the terms of the Creative Commons license. This means that you don't have to make your own videos, which is a great way to make money from your channel without having to spend a lot of money buying expensive gadgets and sitting in front of a camera. You can search for videos in your chosen niche that have a CC BY mark on them that mean that the creator has permitted you to reuse their content in your channel. You don't have to make videos yourself to post on your channel. Find videos that are in line with your passion, that have a Creative Commons license on them, and republish them. As long as they bring value to your target audience, they won't care that you're not showing your face or using your voice. Just make sure you have read the terms that come with a Creative Commons license to see what you are allowed to do with the other creators' content and ensure that you don't violate them to avoid extreme consequences such as the deletion of your channel. Number 2. Optimize videos for traffic. People whose videos do well on YouTube have mastered the art of optimization of their videos. This has helped to drive traffic to their channel and videos respectively. You can optimize your videos and drive traffic to your channel, which can help you earn money on YouTube when you meet the required criteria for monetization. With YouTube being the second largest search engine in the world after Google, which is a parent company of the video giant, many people have turned to the platform to get information, learn DIY skills, or just watch entertainment videos. If you're a content creator, optimizing your videos to attract traffic to your channel is important. Optimized videos rank highly on search engine results pages, or SERPs, which helps your videos get noticed and clicked on. You can optimize your videos by having excellent keyword optimized titles, tags, and description, using accurate captions, engaging your viewers, offering subtitles in different languages, using attractive thumbnails, including YouTube cards and end screens. All these tips can help you drive traffic and grow your channel, but it is also important to track your Google Analytics to find out whether what you're doing is working or what you can do to improve the situation. Metrics such as watch time, audience retention, subscriber growth, traffic sources, CTR, among other metrics, are important for you to know to see the rate at which your channel is growing. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, monetize your channel. Monetization of your channel is the icing on the cake. It sure feels good to get paid for something that you have put your best effort and hours into. And earning from YouTube is a great way to supplement your income or to make it your primary source of income. Some of the highest paid YouTubers, such as Ryan Kaji, earns over $25 million a year. This shows that you can earn money on YouTube, but before you do that, you have to meet the criteria required by YouTube for you to start earning money from the platform. You have to have 4,000 watch hours and have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. After you have met the requirements, you have to enable monetization and have a Google AdSense account. A lot of revenues come from Google Ads, and turning on your Google Ads is important to start earning money on YouTube. When you have done all that, you're ready to go and can start earning from the YouTube channel. It is important to note that the more frequently you post, the more traffic you drive to your channel, and the more you earn from it. If you post once a month, you are likely to lose a lot of watch time and may also lose your subscribers because they forget who you are and move on to someone who brings value to them frequently. Stay active on your channel and you'll gain loyal subscribers, which helps you earn more money. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.